Roasting marshmallows can be a great way to enjoy camping with your friends and family. However, to roast marshmallows, you'll need the proper equipment, and you can't do without a good marshmallow roasting stick. Since the market is full of so many different varieties of marshmallow roasting sticks, choosing the right one for your needs might be tricky. To assist you in picking the right one for yourself, we have reviewed the 5 top performing marshmallow roasting sticks in 2023. Number 1. Marshmallow Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. If you are looking for roasting sticks that are not only functional but also fun to use, then you should get your hands on the Marshmallow Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. Made from high-quality, non-toxic steel, these welded forks are rust-resistant, easy to clean, and safe to use. Featuring smooth handles with a wooden finish, these sticks are comfortable to grip and don't heat up like sticks made from other materials. For maximum control, each fork comes with 2 prongs on a sturdy telescoping arm. The shape of the tongs prevents marshmallows, veggies, and other roasted foods from spinning on the fork while being cooked. Since these sticks can be long, they are also safe to use for children. The colored tips of the handles make it easy to identify which stick belongs to who. Overall, these marshmallow roasting sticks offer great value for your money. Number 2. Zule Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. Made from premium quality stainless steel, the Zule Marshmallow Roasting Sticks feature an extendable design that can reach up to 32 inches. This makes these roasting sticks very safe to use for both adults and children. Thanks to the versatile design of these sticks, these can even be used for roasting foods other than marshmallows, including sausages, wieners, hot dogs, and more. For optimal roasting, the rod and tube of each stick are arc welded in place to ensure that the food does not spin when cooked. Also, the wooden handles of the stick are heat resistant, hence these can be comfortably held in hand without worrying about accidentally burning yourself. Cleaning up marshmallow goo has never been this easy. Yes, these stainless steel telescope skewers are dishwasher friendly. They are lightweight and come with a black polyester drawstring bag for quick and easy stuff storage. They are reusable and zero waste. No need to throw away after when s'more time is over. Number 3. AJ Mayonnaise Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. The AJ Mayonnaise Marshmallow Roasting Sticks are another great option that doesn't compromise durability and performance. Made from high-quality stainless steel and featuring sturdy wooden handles, these marshmallow roasting sticks are easy to clean, heat-resistant, and rust-proof. They come with ergonomic handles that are comfortable to hold, even when hot. The collapsible marshmallow roasting sticks are made of 304 stainless steel, easy to clean and no rusting. Smooth comfortable wooden handles gives you a firm, steady grip and no more hot handles. Other than that, these telescoping forks can elongate and hence are able to be used by kids as well. To clean these sticks, you simply need to place the tips in water for around 15 minutes. They come with a handy storage bag that you can store the sticks in when not in use. Also, these feature a rotating fork axle that ensures even the cooking of marshmallows, hot dogs, and other food items. And of course, these sticks come at a good price. Number 4. Jolly Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. You'll love this compact camping cookware. Our portable telescoping roasting forks includes a heat-resistant carry bag and will make a great addition to your camping gear and equipment or backyard fire pit accessories. Made from stainless steel, these sticks are durable, sturdy, and easy to clean. Moreover, these have been designed for quick and easy roasting. Thanks to their decent length, these can also be used by kids safely. Moving on, these roasting sticks feature a rotating design to ensure that the marshmallows are evenly roasted from all sides. Other than that, these sticks are lightweight and easy to transport. They come with a heat-resistant storage bag that can safely store your marshmallow sticks after cleaning. Lastly, these come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Overall, these Jolly Green Products marshmallow roasting sticks are worth your purchase. Number 5. Hatterwee Marshmallow Roasting Sticks. Next up, the Hatterwee Store marshmallow roasting sticks feature a compact, simple design that is very easy to use. The length of these marshmallow roasting sticks can be adjusted, hence these are suitable for both adult and kids use. Moreover, these are sturdy enough to support the weight of marshmallows, veggies, sausages, and other food items. The color ends of the handles make each one easy to identify. Color coding helps keep track for the kids, color-coded to remember whose is whose. Different colors s'more stick for fire pit, so everyone can find one they like. Each stick in the pack is color-coded so you can easily identify which marshmallow roasting stick is yours. Since these sticks are made from stainless steel, they are very durable and easy to clean. You can either wash these by hand or use a dishwasher for thorough cleaning. Moreover, these come with a portable storage bag that allows you to store these sticks safely when not in use.